says up to 80% off, so we are excited. Eating Subway. I'm happy to report that Subway has vegetarian options. So you get 30% off on this. That's like crazy deals. We are on our way to IMM Mall. We took from Little India, close to where we are staying. We took the metro MRT to Bugis. From Bugis we changed and we went to Jurong East, and from there you just have to walk through this mall that you can see where we are at, and it's a less than 10 minutes walk, and let's see how it goes today. We have to take the jaywalk. That's the mall. So from Jurong East, when you follow this pathway, the mall, the bridge, it's so easy, and it says up to 80% off. So we are excited. Are you excited?
Very excited. Make sure you see like the signs where it tells you directly where to go. Also, if you're lucky, a friendly local will come up to you and just say, "Are you lost?" and they'll help you. That's exactly what happened. The guy said to just follow me, so we walked through the exit gates and he just directed us and we go through the walkway and we'll reach the mall. We are at IMM Mall. There is literally all the brands that you're looking for is over here, like New Balance, Nike, Adidas. Basically, those are the brands I like. I'm not like a Coach, LV, Louis Vuitton guy, no offense. So this mall is really unbelievable. You get like 80% off, 50% off. And it's like flat off, it's not even up to, so yeah, you're gonna be here for a while. And if you're on a budget, this place is legend.
So you get 30% off on this. That's like crazy deals. Eating Subway. I'm happy to report that Subway has vegetarian options. Your McDonald's don't. You can only have fries. But this is yum. I just ate Veggie Delight with a cookie and a drink for just $6.50. It's brilliant. Excited?
So we were here all morning. I was just looking out for shoes and everything. I was looking for Jordans especially, and I couldn't find the one. I couldn't find my size. There was some secret drop, and they released the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Rush Orange Fossil Stone. Long story short, I got them. They're fucking dope, as you can see. We walk out and tell you the rest of the story.
We've left the mall, and there were some deals which were great, but the most amount, I'll get to that, the most amount of hype was around these secret drops that Rajiv got, and he's like a small child. I checked Pedro and Charles & Keith. The good deals were not on the nice bags as expected, so then I just felt that out of FOMO I don't want to buy something that's just cheap and like good price, but not something that I would personally enjoy. So I behaved maturely and I did not buy. But let's talk to the child.
Yeah, I'm the immature child over here. I'm all about that FOMO life. Not really, actually. I always wanted Jordan 3s, and there was a secret drop, and Chinese guys who just bought out everything, even my size. And I'm begging and pleading with everyone over there, like, just see if you have this in the back. So there was one guy who was nice enough, said that, you know what, just follow me, give me a smaller size and we'll swap it for this. And so it was like a whole kind of a secret mission. We followed him to the women's section and he just swapped it and we were on our way, man. We got
in fact, I would like to add that I actually spoke to the resellers who bought like about 20 shoes. I don't know how many.
I'll post a photo of
I'll post a photo. I've sneaked in a picture of that man standing outside the store with like 15-20 shoes. And I requested you'll have about 15 pairs in his size. Can you swap one? And he was there with like 5 other people. Apparently one person can buy 5. So they bought 5 are 25 pairs. And the lady who was accompanying him, she said that no, people have already bought these. So we are buying it for people, which was a shit show. But anyway, in the end, we got lucked out. Thanks to the nice boy who helped us, and the day is made.
God bless him.
We have come back to our room, changed, and now we are going to Haji Lane and Arab Street. And Rajiv is just navigating where it is. It is about 1.5 kilometers, but we want to explore more streets and city, vibes. So we are just gonna walk it instead of figuring how to take bus or MRT. Yeah, Rajiv, have you figured how to go?
Yeah, it's the same way towards Fuji Street, just like a bit further down.
Is it Arab Street first or Haji Lane?
Arab Street.
Okay, it's like next to each other. So
Haji Lane where the mosque is.
Sultana Mosque. After about 10 minutes of walk, we to Arab Street. It's obviously there. That's Sultana Mosque there. We'll know it in a bit how this whole street looks like. And let's take you with us. So when you're in Singapore, you have to press this and wait for your turn. So that will become green, and that's when you cross it. Otherwise it's called jaywalking, and you can get fined for it. Nobody wants to do that on a holiday. Did I say that right?
Yeah, follow the rules.
Always.
Always.
You see, it's green. Now we can walk. Yay. 30 seconds, that's how much time you have to walk. And yeah, see you at school. Behind us is the Sultan Masjid, and this is Kampong Glam. It's so beautiful. You feel like you're in Turkey. We hung out here for some time, had a great time, but decided to go back to Bugis to eat Subway for dinner. We hope you like this video. Subscribe and follow us for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.